ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து,
being born to the woman Devaki in a pitch dark night in the prison.
ஓரிரவில் ஒருத்தி மகனாய் ஒளித்து வளர,
And on that same night, you were taken to Gokula with Adisesha's protection and brought up as another woman, Yashoda's son, in secret because of Kamsa,
தரிக்கிலானாகி தான் தீங்கு நினைந்த,
who then got to know that you were brought up safely in secret. That became intolerable, and he wished you ill will and attempted to kill you in many ways.
கருத்தை பிழைப்பித்து,
But you, O Krishna, not only destroyed the evil thoughts of that devil Kamsa,
கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் நெருப்பென்ன நின்ற நெடுமாலே,
for his grudges that he was holding in his stomach, you appeared as a fire and burnt him from within. O Krishna, your mad love for your devotees is a known fact from very old times.
உன்னை அறுத்தித்து வந்தோம் பறை தருதியாகில்,
And only for you, O Lord, we have come praying. If you satisfy us with your eternal Kainkaryam Parai,
திருத்தக்க செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாம் பாடி,
then we will be able to sing about your wealth and your valor to our heart's content.
வருத்தமும் தீர்ந்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய்.
And because of that, all evils and sorrows will be gone, and we will attain the eternal bliss.